Lesson 1. Where are you from?
Hello!
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes, I am.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lesson 2. Do you speak English?
Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
2 months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a student too.
Lesson 3. What's your name?
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Anna. What's yours?
My name is Patrick.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 5:05 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it was 5:05 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Lesson 4. Asking directions. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Jessica. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry, I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there.
Where? I don't see it.
Across the street.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
No problem.
Do you know if there's a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Lesson 5. I'm hungry.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Fine. How are you doing?
What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kind of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
No, I don't, but I like pizza.
Lesson 6. Do you want something to your drink? David, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay, I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass or a big one?
Small, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Lesson 7. That's too late.
Anna, would you like to get something to eat with me?
When?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 o'clock p.m.
Okay, how about 2 p.m.?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
All right, bye. Lesson 8. Choosing a time to your meet. John, would you like to have dinner with me?
Yes, that would be nice. When do you want to go?
Is today okay?
Sorry, I can't go today.
How about tomorrow night?
Okay, what time?
Is 9 o'clock p.m. all right?
I think that's too late.
Is 6 o'clock p.m. okay?
Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go?
The Italian restaurant on Acorn Street.
Oh, I don't like that restaurant. I don't want to go there.
How about the Korean restaurant next to it?
Okay, I like that place.
Lesson 9. When do you want to go? Hi, Mark.
Hi.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm not sure yet.
Would you like to have lunch with me?
Yes, when?
Is 11 o'clock a.m. okay?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please?
I said 11 o'clock a.m.
Oh, I'm busy then. Can we meet a little later?
Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.?
Where?
How about Bill's Seafood Restaurant?
Oh, where is that?
It's on 7th Street.
Okay, I'll meet you there.
Lesson 10, Ordering Food. Hello, sir. Welcome to the French Garden Restaurant. How many?
One.
Right, this way. Please have a seat. Your waitress will be with you in a moment. Hello, sir. Would you like to order now?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
What do you have?
We have bottled water, juice, and Coke.
I'll have a bottle of water, please.
What would you like to eat?
I'll have a tuna fish sandwich and a bowl of vegetable soup.
Lesson 11, Now or Later. Chris, where are you going?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yeah, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Lesson 12. Do you have enough money?
Laura, what are you going to do today?
I'm going shopping.
What time are you leaving?
I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock.
Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store? Do you have enough money?
I'm not sure.
How much do you have?
$25. Do you think that's enough?
That's not very much.
I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards.
Let me give you another $10.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye.
Lesson 13. How have you been? Hello, Richard.
Hi, Karen. How have you been?
Not too good.
Why?
I'm sick.
Sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's not serious.
That's good. How's your husband?
He's good.
Is he in America now?
No, he's not here yet.
Where is he?
He's in Canada with our kids.
I see. I have to go now. Please tell your husband I said hi.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
I hope you feel better.
Lesson 14. Introducing a friend.
Robert, this is my friend, Mrs. Smith.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mrs. Smith. What do you do for work?
I'm a doctor.
Oh, where do you work?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English
Where?
at a high school in New Jersey.
That's nice. How old are you?
I'm 32.
Lesson 15. Buying a shirt.
Excuse me.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Yes, can I see that shirt on the top shelf, please?
Sure, here it is.
How much does it cost?
$50.
$1.50, that's too much.
How about this one? It's on sale for only $35.
I don't like that one.
How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like.
That's nice. How much is it?
$30.
That'll be fine.
Is this color okay, or would you like a different color?
That blue one's fine.
Do you need any more of these shirts?
Yes.
How many do you want?
I'll take tomorrow a red one and a white one.
Lesson 16. Asking about location.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is?
Sure, it's down this street on the left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
How far is it?
About a mile and a half.
How long does it take to get there?
5 minutes or so.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Thanks a lot.
Lesson 17. Do you know the address?
Excuse me, do you know how to get to the mall?
Sure, I used to work there. Go straight for about a mile, then turn left at the light. The mall will be on the right.
Do you know the address?
Yes, the address is 541 Main Street.
Can you write it down for me, please?
No problem.
Is it faster if I take Highland Avenue?
No, that way is longer. There are more stop lights on that street.
I think you're right, thank you.
Lesson 18. Vacation to Canada.
What's today's date?
It's July 5th.
When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Really, the day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yeah, I know.
How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks.
When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 17th.
Alright, have a nice trip.
Lesson 19. Who is that woman? Joseph, who is that woman?
That's Susan.
What does she do for work?
She's a lawyer.
Is she American?
No, but she speaks English fluently.
She's really tall. Do you know her?
Yes, I know her. We're friends.
Who's that man standing next to her?
Which man?
That short guy on her right. What's his name?
Oh, that's Matt.
He's really good looking.
Yeah.
Do you know him?
I don't know him, but I think my sister does.
Is he married?
Yes, he's married.
I remember now. I met him before. Lesson 20. Common questions. Brian, do you know how to speak English?
Yes,
Where did you learn?
I learned it in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the US?
3 weeks?
Is your wife with you?
Yes, she just got here yesterday.
Have you been to California before?
No, I've never been there.
Have you ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes, I went there once on a business trip.